When you select a blank report, first it will ask which data you would like to connect. In the sense, which data you would like to analyze. Which data you would like to analyze. For that, which are the data we can analyze? We can see here your Google Analytics data, Google Ads data, whatever the ad you have been posted in a Google about that, or Google Sheets, that what you have been generated in a Google Sheet, whatever the data you have been stored in a Google Sheet, and other platforms like BigQuery, like SQL. It is file upload. File upload is nothing but like Excel file you can upload here, or PDF file also you can upload. And a campaign manager, it is also from the Google itself. The one more product they have regarding a campaigns, whatever the ads you are running on a Google platform, those data you can manage, or cloud data you can manage. Okay, then many other data types are there. You can see here so many data types we can add. By Google itself, they have a 18 data types. Okay, from 18 platform you can connect a data. From other 272 platforms you can connect. In the sense, any other platform where you are running a ads, or you have been created some canvas in other platform like this platform, Apex chart, something you have been done. Okay, those data also you can connect. So first we will learn about a basic one, that is a connecting a Google Sheets. Whatever the data you have been stored in a Google Sheets, before connecting any data to your data studio, first we have to check whether your data is in a clean format or not. From where we can check that one? Go to here in Google, we'll go to a drive, go to drive. In drive where you have been saved that particular data, I may be saved in a quotes demo data, which one we have been constructed during learning a Google Sheets. We'll open that one, and here so many pages are there. In which page we had a data? In this particular sheet we had a data. Second sheet we had a data related to the customers, but it is not in a clean format. Okay, for the data studio, if you are loading this particular data, you will not be able to analyze. For data studio we need in a clean format. For that, what we will do, first row, it is unnecessary for analysis. This is not necessary for analysis. First row selected, right click, delete row. Okay, then for example these are not necessary. Okay, again you can do one thing, you can copy this entire page to do changes here on the data button. Copy to new existing spreadsheet only. Sorry, here copy to existing spreadsheet for demo only. Okay, so it will be copied here. You can see this is a copied data here at the end. Okay, copy data 1, that is the renamed here. Okay, twice we have been copied, so that it has been given. One is a copy data, one is a copy data 1. There you can change the all the things like, what are the unnecessary, these columns are not necessary. We'll select those column, click and drag, select all the column, right click, delete column J to M. Similarly, these rows are unnecessary rows are here. We'll select all the unnecessary rows, right click, delete rows. Okay, like this we have been deleted all the columns and rows which are not necessary in my analysis. Only the data and column headers are necessary for my analysis. Once you have been edited here, it will automatically it will save. Okay, it will be saved. Then if you go to the report, okay, that is nothing but a data studio where you have started working. Data studio, before connecting any data to the data studio, we need to clean the data first, then you can connect by saying a Google Sheets. Google Sheets. Then it is asking, would you like to authorize the take a Google Sheet? Yes, I authorize. Now it will give you the what are the Google Sheets you have in your drive. These are the 4 Google Sheets we have. We are analyzing a demo one. We'll select that demo. Now, in that, how many sheets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sheets are there in here. 7 sheets are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In that, which one is a clean format? Which sheet is a clean one? 7th one, right? Copy the data 1. That is a clean one. So, we'll select that particular data. Here, which worksheet to be selected? Data. Okay, then we say add, then we'll say add. Okay, then add to report. It will ask, would you like to add to report? Yes, add to report. Once you have been added, you can observe here by default one table will be created. Don't worry about that. One default table will be created. Apart from that, here you can have a chart structure is there. Okay, we'll give you in detail about what are the chart structures we have, in the sense the report structure we'll discuss one by one in detail.